First alert weather. Let's get the chief in here, meteorologist McKenna King, and talk about the days ahead, because what a weekend it already was. A fair amount of rain for a lot of people.
And this weekend, we're going to see more of that. We have tropical moisture that'll start to roll into North Texas. We're watching the eastern Pacific right now as far as tropics go. As far as us close to home at this point, most of that rain has died down. The spotty showers that we saw a little bit earlier today. And what we're going to expect the next couple of days is going to be drier weather with a whole lot of sunshine. But we get into the upcoming weekend and we will be looking at moisture from Tropical Storm Lorena, which is in the eastern Pacific, starts to bring impacts to places like Cabo San Lucas, Baja California, as we head through the middle of the week. And then that moisture starts to move off to the east. Here's a look at where Lorena sits right now. Notice just south of Cabo San Lucas, it continues to move north as we head into the upcoming weekend. And then as we get into Sunday, that's when we'll really start to tap into some of that tropical moisture. Here's how radar looks at this point. Notice over the last 3 hours, couple of showers off to the east of us. But the bulk of our area, North Texas, now nice and dry. And that's going to be the case through the middle of this week. And I think for the most part through the end of the work week. But we get into Saturday, isolated pockets of rain start to pop up. We get into Sunday and we will see greater coverage of rain. So this is where it's coming from. We've got first a cold front that is connected to an area of low pressure that'll move through the Midwest. Here Saturday, notice that rain is on the way, and we've also got this moisture from Lorena that is starting to head eastward. By Sunday, it's here, and that's when we've got those more widespread rain chances as we round out the weekend. That starts to clear up as we get into the middle of next week. Let's talk temperatures for a second, because we do have some fairly nice temps as we get into tomorrow and also into Thursday. Notice we're looking at 91 degrees in Fort Worth, 90 in Dallas. That keeps us right close to average for this point in the year. This is a look at highs as we get into tomorrow afternoon. As far as temperatures go as we round out the week, we will be looking at a steady warm up as we head into our Thursday, looking at highs in the upper 90s. And then by Friday, we're still in the middle 90s, but our cloud coverage does start to build as we head toward that point. Friday is when that moisture is starting to move in. We're not going to be looking at rain Friday, but as we get into the upcoming weekend, that's when we'll start to see it. So again, enjoy tomorrow, enjoy Thursday. Friday, mainly dry day ahead of us, just some more cloud coverage out, highs still in the middle 90s. Then our cold front moves in and slowly starts to drop our temps. Upper 80s Saturday with those isolated shower chances, greater coverage of rain by Sunday, highs in the middle 80s by then. And that's where we stick as we get into the first of the next week.